Hi, when you create agents, there are a few things that you need to know, and that's very important. First of all, we have our input forms. The input forms, that's a field like in any other form that you can use in your system prompt. Let me show you an example. This agent, when I start, it has input forms. So based on that, we can get the data and use it in a system prompt. And this agent doesn't have any system prompt, so you start with a regular chat. So for example, when I create an input, and let me create another one. Let's say I want to collect files. What's going to happen? When you start the agent, it will ask for the email and ask to upload files. And in a system prompt, when you use @, you can mention files or emails in the right places of the prompt. In the same way, you can do with your sources. So when you create a page, and you can select if you want to use your internal space or your portal space. Let's say in internal space, you can select a folder or specific page. As you see here, it's added to your sources. And now, when I do a mention, I can add this link to mention sources in my system prompt. Additionally, we have option for our browser extension. And as you see here, it's a web page content, and you need to install a special Chrome extension. You can click it here, or you can click on this button, get from the Chrome store. This extension allows you to launch your AI agents right inside your browser. So when I click here, it started. And if you enabled that option for specific agent, by default, it's gonna show you a special button here, use page context. So when it's activated, what happens is all of the content on this specific page also will be automatically transferred to your AI agent and processed. Additionally, if you want to have in your knowledge that is attached to your agent various files, you can create a page inside one of your workspaces and drag and drop files in there. For that, you will need to wait for a couple of minutes till our system indexes them. And once you're inside your agent, you click Add New. As you see here, I have a source page. I just added. And now I can mention it inside my system prompt. And you can have as many pages as you need. If you decided to add folder, it means that any page or files uploaded inside one of those pages will be automatically added to the knowledge of the agent. And finally, you can use agents within your pages. And when you activate them, all the knowledge from that specific page, including video transcriptions, will be added to this agent. So besides your knowledge, your form inputs, it will use this knowledge from this page because you activated from here. And once it's processed, he will be able to insert that text back to the page. Additionally, you can use your AI agents inside your portal. For example, I'm on that portal. I can go to any of the pages. And when I click plus, on the right, you have agents. And I can select from the list of existing agents so I can search them. And also, we have automation module, which you can put here, which is similar to Zapier. And in these automation modules, you can also use your AI agents.